In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a reminder in Microsoft To Do in just a few simple steps. Whether you're managing a hectic schedule or just trying to keep track of important tasks, setting reminders can be a great way to ensure you stay on top of everything. Let's get started. First, open up your web browser and search for Microsoft To Do. You can do this by entering it into your preferred search engine, and it should be one of the top results. Once you've located the Microsoft To Do web page, click on it to open it up. At the top right corner of the page, you'll notice a Sign In button. Click on this button to sign in to your Microsoft account. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Before moving on, make sure you're logged in successfully. This will ensure that your tasks and reminders sync properly across your devices. Once you're in, navigate through your tasks and select the one you'd like to add a reminder to. This step is key as you'll be linking the reminder feature to a specific task, ensuring it's associated with the right activity on your list. Having selected your task, look for the Remind Me option that appears. It's typically displayed prominently when viewing the details of your task. After clicking on Remind Me, you'll be presented with a few preset time frames. These include options such as later today, tomorrow, or next week. Select one of these choices if they fit your needs. They're convenient for general time management and can quickly set you up with a reminder that aligns with common scheduling blocks. If these presets don't suit your requirement, don't worry, you can also select a specific date and time for your reminder. This is particularly useful if you have a particular deadline or appointment to remember. For those who prefer a more customized approach, you can type a reminder date and time directly into the task details using natural language. For example, you could input something like next Friday 10 a.m. if that works best for you. The system is designed to understand natural language input, making it flexible and intuitive. And that's all there is to it. You should now have a reminder set in Microsoft To Do, tailored to your specific task and timetable. This straightforward yet powerful functionality helps you manage your time efficiently and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. Remember, regular use of reminders can greatly enhance your productivity and help manage daily responsibilities. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher on setting up reminders in Microsoft To Do. Happy organizing!